Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TechMan. In today's video, we are going to check out this beautiful green dial Sonata watch. Here is the first look of the watch. Here is how the watch looks from close. Let's quickly remove the plastic. The dial looks very beautiful, as you can see. This is the clasp of the watch. Let me wear it quickly. My wrist is of 6.9 inch and this is how the watch looks on my wrist. This is the case back of the watch. This is how thick the watch is. This is how powerful the lume of the watch is. The lume is bright enough for the price. Here is how the watch looks under sunlight. And here is how the watch looks indoor. These are the specs of the watch. Here is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual in green dial for comparison. I think for the price the watch is really good and value for money. You can definitely buy the watch.